हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम स्नेहा है और मैं नोएडा में अपनी प्यारी सी फैमिली के साथ रहती हूँ। तो हम बात कर रहे थे इस बुक के बारे में, इफ़ यू थिंक यू कैन। इसके हमने 4 चैप्टर डिस्कस कर लिए थे। आज हम इसका 5th चैप्टर देखेंगे जिसका टाइटल है मास्टर योर थिंकिंग। राइट, इफ़ यू मास्टर योर थॉट और योर थॉट प्रोसेस देन यू कैन अचीव एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ। सो एक पेज नंबर 67 में एक लाइन मेंशन है, वट एवर थॉट यू अलाउ टू डोमिनेट योर माइंड विल हैव अ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑन वट यू अट्रैक्ट इन योर लाइफ। सो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कुछ सोचते हैं और सडनली कुछ टाइम बाद हमें वो मिल जाता है। आप वो छोटी सी चीज़ों में, खाने की चीज़ में देख सकते हैं और किसी चीज़ में आपने सोचा हो। और सेम इज़ ट्रू फॉर योर ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो। अगर आप चाहते हो कि एक पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन पे, एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे आप जाओ और अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करो, तो उस तरह के थॉट्स अगर आपके माइंड में हैं ना, आप उस पर वर्क करोगे, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल रीच देयर। सो दैट इज़ द पावर ऑफ द डोमिनेटिंग थॉट्स इन योर माइंड। Another line which is mentioned at page number 69 is, the same level of thinking that has brought you this far is not going to be enough to take you where you want to go. Right? हम सेम ही लेवल का अगर सोचेंगे तो हम जहाँ हैं वहीं रहेंगे। राइट, उसी के अराउंड ही चलते रहेंगे। लेकिन अगर हमें 4 स्टेप ऊपर जाना है तो हमें अपनी सोच भी 4 स्टेप ऊपर करनी पड़ेगी। सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुली रिटन ओवर हियर। Another line mentioned in page number 71. You can't stop yourself from thinking, nor can you always control what your thought enter in your mind. But you can control what you focus and dwell upon, right? तो thoughts को हम नहीं रोक सकते कि आज भाई 10 मिनट के लिए मेरे पास thoughts ना आए। We cannot do that, but we always have the power to focus on what we want to. 10 thoughts में से या 100 थॉट्स में से हम फोकस कर सकते हैं कि मुझे इसी पे ही ड्वेल करना है, इसी पे ही फोकस करना है। राइट, दैट इज दैट वी कैन चूज। सो आवर रिएक्शन, राइट, आवर रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट, वी कैन चूज दैट। दैट इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटिफुली सेड इन पेज नंबर 72। देयर इज अ लाइन मेंशन, थॉट्स आर द कॉज एंड द कंडीशन दे क्रिएट आर एंड द कंडीशन दे क्रिएट आर द इफेक्ट्स। राइट, सो थॉट्स क्या है? दैट इज एक्शन, और जो उसके बाद कंडीशन क्रिएट होती है दैट इज देयर इफेक्ट्स। इन अदर वर्ड, all the condition or experience we encounter in our life are created by our thoughts. So whatever we thought, we become, right? So that is important. Another line mentioned at page number 73 is, what people say can affect what we think of ourselves, right? If we don't stand up within, the opinion of other can spread like wildfire, burning down anything in its path. Right? So what we think of ourselves is important, nor what all others are thinking of us. Right? So people say, okay, you don't have that talent, you cannot achieve that, you don't have that skill set, you can reach there. So that is their thinking, but what you think about yourself, that matters. If you think you can, then definitely you can. So this is also beautifully written over here. Another line in page number 75, it says, the significant problems we face cannot be solved by the same level of thinking that created them. We must change our thinking, right? So just thought process ने हमें एक difficult condition पे, एक problem में डाल दिया है, same thought process हमें उससे बाहर नहीं निकाल सकती। We have to change that thought process. We have to take help from others, or we can go for some advices, so that our thought process change, and that is very important in our life to achieve anything. So that is also very beautiful written over there. Okay, and another line mentioned in page number 77, if a self-defeating thought enter your mind, stand up, take a walk, or simply engage in an activity that will distract you from dwelling on that thought. So you cannot control, you don't have that filter कि एक negative thought आ रहा है, I'll stop it. No, you cannot do that, right? But you always can respond to that thought, right? If something negative is start playing in your mind, just distract yourself from that. Take a walk, or read something, or listen to a song, so you can distract that thing, and that negative thought maybe pass, right? That will not affect you. So there, that is another way of getting rid of negative thoughts. And in page number 78, one beautiful line mentioned, every day you must convince yourself that you are unstoppable. Convince yourself every day that your goals have values, right? So first you have to convince yourself, make it believe yourself, put it in your thinking, in your thoughts, then only you can achieve that thing in reality. So this is also very beautifully written. And the last of the chapter, at page number 79, it is written, what are the problem, random negative thoughts or belief I will begin to control or eliminate? You can write over there. So there are some, same kind of thoughts you are facing, right? So you can write over there. And what are the positive thought I will replace with, right? So something, if some self-doubting thoughts come within you, if you are trying to work on some of your skill or in some of your area, and self-doubt thoughts come to you, so you write that this thought I am coming, and one positive thought through which you replace that. So this is how you can master your thinking. And if you master your thinking, so you can achieve anything in your life. So that was this chapter. Hope you like this. In next series, we'll discuss what do you want. That is also important. What do you want? You need to know that. So we'll discuss in next series. Till then, happy reading and keep reading, guys. Bye bye. Take care.